Have you ever wished your hair could just heal itself overnight? Imagine waking up to stronger, healthier hair without the need for a salon appointment or extensive treatments. Well, today we're going to explore a product that promises to do just that: the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask. This product is an overnight hair treatment designed to repair and strengthen hair without needing to be rinsed out, making it a game changer for anyone with damaged or brittle strands. It uses bond-building technology to repair the hair fibers while also softening and smoothing with vegan silk proteins. If you're someone who's always on the go and struggles with dry, fragile hair, this might be the solution you've been looking for. And hey, if you like honest reviews and in-depth beauty insights, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to stay updated on more content from Beautyistic. Now, let's dive into the review. The IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask is a treatment that stands out because it doesn't require any washing off. The application is incredibly simple. Just apply it, let it work its magic overnight, and wake up with visibly smoother, stronger hair. The mask works by repairing the bonds in the hair fibers, which is essential for improving overall hair health and preventing breakage. With the power of vegan silk proteins, it promises to not only repair, but also provide that soft, touchable finish we all crave. What's really impressive is that it's a vegan and cruelty-free product, making it ideal for those who prefer eco-conscious beauty products that don't compromise on quality. It's also formulated without sulfates and parabens, which is a big plus for anyone who's mindful about what goes into their beauty products. In terms of application, I have to say it couldn't be easier. The mask is lightweight and it absorbs quickly into the hair without feeling greasy or heavy. I applied it to dry hair before bed, focusing on the ends, which tend to be the driest part of my hair. When I woke up the next morning, my hair felt incredibly soft, and it wasn't weighed down at all. In fact, it had a nice bounce to it, which is something I don't usually get with leave-in treatments. One thing I really appreciated was how manageable my hair was the next morning. I usually struggle with tangles and knots, especially when I don't wash my hair regularly. But with the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask, my hair was smoother and easier to comb through than usual. If you have naturally dry or damaged hair, this could really help bring back that softness and manageability without a ton of effort. However, it's not all perfect. One thing to consider is that while the mask works wonders for dry ends, if you have an oily scalp, you might want to be cautious about how much you apply near your roots. I found that it works best when concentrated on the mid-lengths to ends of the hair. Too much near the roots might leave you with some excess residue, but it's nothing that can't be fixed with a quick rinse or wash the following day. The pros of the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask definitely include its ease of use, its ability to repair and nourish without weighing the hair down, and the fact that it is vegan and cruelty-free. It's also a great time saver since you don't need to rinse it out, making it perfect for busy people or anyone looking to simplify their hair care routine. As for the cons, I would say that the price may be a concern for some. While it does deliver impressive results, it might not be the most affordable option if you're on a tight budget. Additionally, the formula may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you have an oily scalp or tend to avoid leave-in products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value for money, the price tag might feel a bit steep, but if you're someone who regularly deals with damaged hair or struggles to find effective treatments, it could be well worth the investment. You're getting a lot of quality in that 5-ounce tube, especially with how well it performs overnight. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, you could try other bond-building masks that are out there. While they might not have the exact same formulation, many of them offer similar bond-repairing technology. Brands like Olaplex and Redken also have great alternatives for treating damaged hair, and you might find some that are a bit more budget-friendly. To wrap it up, the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask definitely lives up to its claims, especially for those dealing with dry or damaged hair. It's effective, easy to use, and leaves hair feeling healthier. If you're someone who loves low-maintenance hair care that delivers real results, this could be a great addition to your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.